Hey guys, how's it going? Zima here. Today, I want to show you Synon AI. They're testing this live right now, and they just started their node sale, which is definitely something that works well on our channel. Considering that after I got 2 nodes for myself, I noticed that the ID is 56 and 57, which means right now less than 100 have been sold. So we are very early when it comes to this. Also, with a price of about $200, and I think you can even get 5 or 10% off with my code down below, this is definitely more than affordable when it comes to nodes. They are available on ETH, ZK Sync, Arbitrum, as well as Base, and can be purchased in ETH, USDT, or USDC. But first, I want to show you what they're working on, what they try to build, what they are building in here, and how high this could go. They are a blockchain layer 1 for AI, leverages GPU power to enable decentralized computing and advanced AI model training, and with more and more projects that not just build on AI, but rely on AI, and companies that tap into this market, this is future-proof, as they are building the blockchain layer 1 for AI, ML, and LLM, and have a distributed GPU cloud infrastructure for AI and ML, where you can be a part of the GPU contributors program, contribute to the GPU network, or train the AI models and earn special rewards from Synon AI. So in short, as they show in their graphic over here, various different GPUs connect to the AI, which then can power anything that is AI-based, like an image generator, a chatbot, a voice changer, anything in that regard. Infrastructure funds and other hardware partners to bring cost-effective and significant scale to AI enterprises, for which they have the Synon AI layer, their S model clouds, the ecosystem, and have an LLM that is at the core of their ecosystem, powered by innovative machine learning algorithms and blockchain technology. So far, they have over 15 different node locations, 10,000 users, and 10 different partners, and they say it's time to change the way you build and scale AI models, explore the diverse range of curated open source AI models powered by Synon AI. If you're a developer, you can also select the developer option over here. You can try the testnet with the Genesis Pass, the faucet, the sign and scan as well to see different transactions. Most importantly, so far, you can mint keys and then in the dashboard check how much that makes. Before we talk about that in detail, white paper real quick and their documents, in which we can see that they're building different types of chatbots, AI voice effects, pics generators, video analysts, EtherGPT, and more. And then, when it comes to the tokenomics behind it, there will be a total supply of 1 billion SPY AI tokens, with 15% for the core contributors, strategic investors, 10% for the public sale, 20% for the ecosystem, and 40% for mining, which means the 2 nodes that I got already generated 8.4 tokens. So if this goes to $1 billion market cap, which is definitely possible in an AI-focused bull run, and that already made $8 in the last couple hours. There's a vesting schedule attached to these things as well, and an announcement date for the public sale, but so far the focus is on the nodes. The node price does go up by $10, $20, $30 for X amount of nodes sold, and right now we're still in the first 1,000 in tier 1 out of over 40. If you want to get a node, here is what you do. You select the mint key option, click the link in the description down below, select the network up here, make sure to have enough ETH, USDC, or USDT enabled. Either enter my code down here manually, or it should be automatically attached. Click on apply, and you should then get, I think, 5 or 10% off. So you would buy them at about $190 a piece. Now, the good thing is we don't need to have a virtual private server, we don't need to download the software. We can simply check our dashboard right after and see the nodes running in here with our rewards, how much is accumulated, the ID, as well as what type of GPU is used. I would assume in the future, in case this doesn't run automatically, you might need to download the software or bind them to a server and run them manually, but so far, as we're still in the very early stages, this simply accumulates tokens day by day. Link is down below, make sure to check them out, read into this on yourself, and you'll probably see that this one is a pretty interesting project. Now, I do have to tell you that it's not financial advice, but at less than $200 per node key, and being this early, it's hard to go wrong. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys fairly soon. Bye, guys.